Hey guys, Sarge here. Hope you're doing good. Friday, April 19th, 2024, the year of Mordor. More EV goodness. Listen to this little clip here. This is Jeff Buys Car. He's in the UK. I'll link the video at the bottom. He's fun to listen to. Just listen to the clip. He's reading a letter sent to the Guardian about somebody who's got a Renault Zoe. Listen.
There, the technician established that the connector from the charging socket to the charging unit had burnt out. They said the whole charging unit had to be replaced and quoted us £7,500 for the work. As the car is only worth £5,600, this effectively writes it off.
This is for a connector, one connector, $7,500. The other one, $11,000 to repair the heater. 11,000 pounds. You put it in US dollars, who gives a shit? 11K to fix a heater. Anybody fix a heater on a gas car for 11K? I don't know, I'm curious. Has anybody ever paid 11K to fix a heating system on a gas car? For 11K I can get a new engine. Like, what the hell? Insane. People buying this shit are finding out right now. They're finding out all the nasty side of it. There's a video I watched last week. Here it is. EV owners stunned by unprecedented unreliability. They can't believe how unreliable they are. The problems they have. And it doesn't just apply to EVs. Most new cars with that 32-inch screen in the middle of the dash, the connected cars, they spy on you. I made a video about that. I'll link it. They can also geofence you, so your car can't go any further than here. Ties in with those 15-minute cities. They don't want you driving. People are not going to be able to buy a car. If it keeps going the way it is now, people are not going to be able to buy a car. I mean, Ram is giving $10,000 off a Ram 1500. It was $110K. What the fuck is $10K gonna do? Like, well, what the people all of a sudden? Oh, I didn't have $110K, but I got $100K. For real? And these are mall crawlers. Remember that. 90% of those pickup trucks out there have one driver aboard, and they're not lugging anything. So these people are going, yeah, so for a truck that just is going to go to the mall and come back, $100K, yeah, just right now ain't got the money. It'll be a hard pass. So the economy is sucking big time, big time. They're trying to scam us with the EV bullshit. I keep bringing videos about it all the time. Why? Because it's a mess. It's a mess. The news tells us one story because the news is bought out. They're the mouthpiece of the government, and the governments are run by NGOs, non-governmental organizations, such as the WEF with Santa Claus. And we're being told, oh yeah, you pollute. Yeah, when you went to Davos in your big fat jet to go talk about pollution, you couldn't do that over a Zoom call? Huh? 5 people in a 737. 5 people. Yeah, I pollute. Go fuck yourself. Anyhow. So that's my rant for this morning regarding EVs. There you go. And like I said, it doesn't apply just to EVs. It applies to anything, the new cars. Don't touch a new car. They're problematic from A to Z. Even Toyota and Honda's having problems with their uploads, the downloads, and the bullshit and the electronics. Even these guys have problems with it. So nobody's safe from that electronic crap. Stay away from it. I don't believe that they can't make it reliable. I think it's planned obsolescence. And they may have overplanned, and it gets obsolescent before the warranty's up. Anyhow, try to imagine Yeah, your heater doesn't work. Yeah, it's going to cost $11,000. I told the guy to go take a fucking hike. But it's an electric car. So maybe if the heater stops working, then the battery doesn't charge properly, then this, then that. Yeah. All right. Eyes wide open. Head on a swivel. Stay safe. Sarge out.